Dear students, today we are going to discuss about students studying history. Archaeologists and historians I already explained in previous video. Today I am going to explain you travelers. Man has been wandering from one place to another since ancient time. Many of the foreign travelers came from a totally separate social environment. So they were perspective to day-to-day activities. Their accounts compact with court affairs, architectural features and religious issues. It enriches our knowledge of our history. The writers are Megasthenes, Huan Sang, etc. Megasthenes came in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. He had written about the Indian society and culture in his book called as Indica. Huan Sang had given valuable account about Harshavardhana and some other contemporary kings of northern India. Fa Huan and Huan Sang travelled many parts of the country and they have given an exaggerated account of Buddhism during the period of their visit. According to the account written by foreign travelers is important because it helps us to know about what others think of our country. It helps us to know about the way the people lived in our country. But overall, these accounts are helpful for us to improve ourselves by not repeating the mistakes made by our people in past. Now let us see name of the land. The Republic of India has two principal short names in both official and popular English usage, each of which is historically significant: India and Bharat. Bharat, name for India in several Indian languages, is variously said to be derived from the name of Rishabha's son or a group of people named Bharat. A first name Bharat referred only to the western part of Gangetic Valley in northern India but was later more broadly applied to the Indian subcontinent and region of Greater India. The word India is derived from Indus, which is called Sindhu in Sanskrit language. People of ancient Iran and Greece were more familiar with the Indus River. They came in contact with these regions for 2000 years ago. The Iranians called the Indus River Indus and the people of Greece called Indus.